Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Later for Instagram workflow scheduling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Later website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a secure password. After entering your information, click on the Get Started button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Later. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Later website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will see the onboarding setup. Follow the prompts to connect your Instagram account to Later. You may need to log into your Instagram account during this process. Once connected, you'll be taken to your Later dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features. To begin scheduling posts, click on the Media tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can upload photos and videos for your Instagram schedule. To upload media, click on the Upload Media button. Select the files you want to upload from your computer. After uploading, your media will appear in the media library. To schedule a post, drag and drop the media file onto the calendar. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to add captions and schedule details. Add your desired caption and set the date and time for the post. Click on the Save button to finalize your scheduled post. Repeat this process for additional posts you want to schedule. Remember to periodically check your scheduling calendar for upcoming posts. Make adjustments as necessary by dragging and dropping posts to new time slots. Explore other features like analytics to track your post performance. With these steps, you are now set to effectively manage your Instagram workflow with Later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.